this is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and Madhura's back. You can call her Maddie, and we are
Hi.
reacting to something that is very rare nowadays. You know,
Which is good trailers or
Yes.
trailers in general.
or trailers that we've been looking forward to.
Or trailers that we've been looking forward to. So today we are reacting to the new Batman trailer, which is the Batman DC fandom teaser that is out, and in which Robert Pattinson is in and as the Batman.
I was
So
on
this
Twitter,
is something.
and the hype is real.
Yes.
I'm dying for you to be available on call so we can watch this. Wow.
Yes. So again, written by Matt Reeves, and it's directed by Matt Reeves again, who has directed Planet of the Apes movies. And Robert Pattinson stars as Gotham City's vigilante detective Batman and billionaire Bruce Wayne. Also in this ensemble cast are Zoe Kravitz, who I love. I really have a good crush on her. Paul Dano, Jeffrey Wright, John Turturro, amongst many others. So,
dude, the amount of flack they got for picking Robert Pattinson as Batman, I really like. I mean, going by his recent films, why? I didn't understand that, but I think he's gonna.
I think I want to see this because sadly for him, even though he's had a huge body of work after the Twilight series, he's always going to be Edward Cullen, right? He's always going to be the vampire. Sadly. It's just like how Daniel Radcliffe will always be thought of as Harry Potter, you know, so it's kind of,
but he's done, I think, so the curse much of brilliant work since.
Exactly.
I just like my last thing that I saw of his was in The King, and he literally had like 2 or 3 scenes in the film.
Yes.
But my God, they're so memorable. I still laugh when I think of him, and his acting is just amazing. But yes.
Yeah, so I think it's we have to watch, because I can't imagine. So I'll have to watch it to believe it, you know, because with all the hype, I think let's just see what's actually happening there.
What's happening? Okay. Excited. Ready?
Ready? Okay.
1, 2, 3, play. Sounds like sellotape.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Ew.
From your secret friend.
Underneath the bridge.
Who?
Topper sprung a leak. And the animals I've trapped.
Haven't a clue.
All become my pet.
Let's play a game. Just me and you. Any of this mean anything to you?
You're becoming quite a celebrity. Why is he writing to you?
If you are justice, please do not lie. What is the price for your blind eye?
The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm vengeance.
This guy's crazy.
You're part of this too.
How am I part of it?
You'll see.
Okay then.
Goosebumps.
Goosebumps, yes, for the trailer. I wish I had seen a little more of Robert Pattinson because I think I'm still on the fence on him as Batman.
Really?
Like, okay, the bat suit and the persona works, but him as Bruce Wayne in the two scenes that you see where he's pushing this person away from the car, slamming into them, and the last scene where I was actually reminded of the Joker in that last close-up. So I think for me, I'll have to watch it a couple of more times, I think.
The
Especially for
smoky
Robert.
eyes are a little. I
Yes.
wonder why that's happening there.
Correct.
But
correct.
this is obviously his origin. Sort of, they're going back right to how he came
He
about.
becomes Batman.
And in his early life, in his early years, he was known to be like as a character very angry, you know, because he was coming from that younger, less experienced sort of place. So I think you can tell that in that scene, especially when he's beating that guy up and saying, "I'm vengeance." He's not so much about justice right now. He's more about taking revenge, right? So I mean, I was sold. I was sold.
I think
on
with
it.
the trailer, I'm sold. I think I'd like to see, because we've had so many actors playing Batman, right? From where Christian Bale and Val Kilmer and even Michael Keaton have been right up there. Then it was also a disaster having George Clooney play the Batman. It was a disaster. It was almost cartoonish and
Let's
it was
not
almost
go
like
there.
a spoof, right? Yes, exactly.
It's like the old TV show.
Exactly. So now with Robert Pattinson, I'll just have to watch it a couple of times more, I think. But the story, I'm sold on. I think I'm still on the fence about him as Batman.
Yeah, so the main villain I think in this is the Riddler, right? And he's the one
Riddler,
narrating.
Correct, it's the
I
Riddler.
don't know who plays that role, and I don't know if we saw that. Honestly, I haven't looked at the cast, and I haven't paid much attention
Let
to
us
who's in
see
the
who
film.
plays the Riddler.
But I
One
have to
second.
say, while you're looking that up, I have to say the music in this trailer, the score. Oh my God! It was
Ooh,
it
Paul
was a
Dano
character
plays
on its own.
Paul Dano plays the Riddler.
I did not see him in this.
No, they don't show him at all in this.
Oh,
They don't show him in
he's
this.
probably the one with the mask, putting the tape around him. I don't know.
Yeah, he's the one putting the tape around, but he's not shown. And we didn't see Colin Farrell also in the trailer because he's supposed to play the Penguin.
Oh.
He's supposed to play the Penguin, but he wasn't there in this. We didn't see him.
Or he's got too much makeup on and we didn't recognize him.
No, we didn't see the Penguin in the trailer, I think. And I was actually very curious to see who plays Alfred, who plays the butler, because I'm so used to Michael Caine playing the butler thanks to the Nolan series, right? That it's Andy Serkis who's going to play the butler. So that's going to be interesting. So in terms of the star cast, I think it's really going to be interesting. I think all the other parts kind of fall in place.
Yeah.
I'm still not, I have to say, I'm not feeling it with Robert Pattinson. I have to be honest.
In my opinion, he's gonna kill it, and I think Christian Bale will be proud of him.
Of course he will.
I think Bale will be proud of him because for me personally, Bale was, yeah. So the thing is, his eyes and his everything, like when you see him first with the full suit and the mask on, he just looks it. There's no like with George Clooney, you're like, nahi, tumhara thoda lips are not right.
Exactly. No, with the mask, he looks it. I think for me, when he takes off the mask, right, because his hair is also dyed brunette. It's dark hair in this, because otherwise he's a dirty blonde in real life, right? He's got blonde hair, I think. So I think the Batman and the suit, him in the suit kind of sold it for me, but off the suit, I'm still not. I have to watch it, I think.
Yeah, but also, I mean, it's a teaser, and plus the only time they showed him without the suit on is when in that clearly.
For about 3 seconds.
Also, that messy party where clearly there's been car that
Ah,
crashes into
ah.
the party. He's just saved someone and he's rising up from the rubble and his
Correct.
hair is a mess. So like, he's
Correct.
not
That's
that
true.
sleek,
Yes,
Bruce
I'd
Wayne
like to-
look is not
yes.
happened in the teaser. So probably that's
Not
why.
yet. Yes,
Not
that's
yet.
true. That's
Let's
true.
let's
But
wait for the trailer.
exciting.
Yeah.
Exactly. But exciting. Like we said, we've been starved of good trailers,
Yeah.
and I mean, this is something both of us got very excited, and of course we have to coordinate our schedules to get on a call to watch these together. But it's been an exercise in patience, definitely for Jo, because she's been waiting for 5 days now, and we've been talking for 5 days about reacting to this trailer. So that way, did it work? Yes, absolutely worked.
Yay. And Pattinson has more than proven himself as an actor with
Of
all the
course.
films he's
I
done
agree,
now.
I
So
agree.
he's gonna give this his all for sure, and I know that's gonna. I
Yeah,
have faith
yeah.
in him. But
Yeah.
yes, on that note, let's call it a day and end this video. If there's anything else you'd like us to react to, please comment below. Also, please tell us what you thought of this trailer and what you think of Robert as Batman, and all your theories on what's going to happen. And also, if we missed seeing anyone in the trailer, please tell us.
Yeah.
We will, sorry.
I said we did miss listing Mr. Ben Affleck as the Batman. So yes, we've also mentioned him.
Just let's
We
not
mentioned
go there.
him.
Yeah. But on that note, we will see you in the next one. Ta-da.
Bye.
Bye.